Hello and welcome to Learn HTML. So today we'll be continuing what we have left with the last video. So this is the site structure already. We were able to declare the doc type. We were able to discuss about HTML tags and the head, the title, the character set, and the body. So the last thing that we put here is that this is a paragraph sentence. So just like what it says, in HTML we have what we call the paragraph tags. So it's like P, okay, P for Peter. So like I said, once we open a tag, we need to close it with a forward slash. So this is called this is a paragraph, so it's a element. Okay, this from P opening until closing P, that is an HTML element. All right, so let's save it now, refresh it from the browser, so you can see it's still the same. All right, then we need to put what if we want to emphasize a sentence. All right, so let's say I want to emphasize this one. All right, so if we want to do that, we will be using a EM tag. All right, so it's an emphasize tag. So we will close it again. All right, so we'll save it like Control S and then refresh here on the Google Chrome. So as you can see, you see the text, it's italicized. All right, so in HTML5 we don't use I anymore. With the older version of HTML, nowadays we are using EM or EMS. They are the they're called emphasize if you want to emphasize some text. All right, so now what if we want to define an important text like bold? Okay, so in HTML5 we are using strong. All right, so I want this bold. All right, so the tag is strong. All right, strong defines an important text. All right, so we'll close it. Let's save it. Control S, or Control S, save, and then refresh from the browser. All right, so as you can see, it is together with the emphasize sentence. All right, why? Okay, because we did not put any spacing or any line breaks. All right, so here, if this happened, we can put a what we call a line break. All right, in between them. So the tag is BR, break. All right, this kind of HTML tag does not need or does not require to put or does not need to close it. In XHTML, they're doing like this. Okay, but it's fine to just leave it like that. Okay, it's still the same. So we'll save it, we'll refresh it here. So as you can see, there's a space in there's a break or line break between them. Okay, but for best practices, we want to always use a paragraph tag for every sentence, not for every sentence but for every paragraph, because by default if we put P here, all right, and then let's close it with another P. All right, this is considered another paragraph. All right, So if you do that, uh, it will be considered as like an HTML element or another paragraph, like I said. So if we save it, okay, there's a space. Why? Because we put a break here. So we'll erase that, save it. Okay, so now there's a space in between them. Okay, so I would like you to know browsers have a default styling. That is why there is a space in between them. Okay, so if we will change this one again, if we'll add paragraph here, okay, so still the same. Alright, so as you can see, we did not put any line break anymore because they are a paragraph. But if you're just if you don't want any space between them, you can edit it on a CSS. We'll discuss CSS later. Alright, so so in between the paragraph, okay, you saw that we can put another HTML element. That's what we did. Alright, so paragraph, then emphasize text, close it, paragraph, strong text, close it. Alright, so now at the top we need to put a heading. Alright, so we'll put here, this is a heading. Alright, so from here, a heading is not a paragraph, right? So we will be using H1, heading 1, H1, and we'll close it. Alright, let's save it. Alright, now you saw this is the heading. You can notice that it's bigger. Why? Because it's a heading. So like what I said a while ago, browsers have a default styling. That's why H1 is this big, paragraph spaces are in between, they're this big, you know. So the font is Times New Roman because we did not specify what font it is. So I would like you to know that because that's very important. Because later in CSS, we will discuss about reset style or normalize styling, you know, so that any browser that you use, Chrome, Explorer, Firefox, Opera, Safari, will look the same. Alright, okay, so that's it. So I hope that you learned a lot today. So thank you. See you in the next video.